corner. It's Jacob Connor's corner, yeah.
Hey kids, welcome back to Jacob Connor's Corner. Today we have to solve a problem. Our windshield wipers on our car, the windshield wipers work, but the fluid's not coming out. So the windshield stays dirty because it's not getting any fluid. So today me and Jacob are going to investigate it and then we're going to fix it.
Kids, it's pretty bright out today.
It is pretty bright out. So let's go check this out. Jacob, are you ready?
Mom, can you please give me a ladder?
We'll get a ladder in just a second.
Okay.
All right kids, so we're in the car. And this button right here, where Jacob has, when you press on it, it's supposed to shoot the water
What's this?
up on the windshield. So go ahead and do it, Jacob.
It's not working.
And nothing's coming out, is it?
Yes, the windshield wipers are.
Just the windshield wipers are going. There's no fluid
How do
coming
you
out.
tell the windshield wipers?
They go off on their own. So let's go lift up the hood and let's see what's going on underneath there, okay?
Okay.
All right, so hop on out.
Different now, can you give me a ladder?
We're gonna get a ladder, yes. Wait, come here, I need you to do something for me.
Yes, ma'am.
We gotta pop the hood. Do you know how to pop the hood? All right, show me how to pop the hood.
Alright, first I need to find the trigger.
I think it's right here.
Okay, pop the hood.
Oop, I heard it pop. Okay, let's go to the front.
Pop the hood. Popped it. I popped the hood. I'll lift it.
Careful, it's hot. And you can't lift it all the way. Right underneath here, there's a little something I gotta grab. Can you hold this for a second?
Okay. Kids, right now my mommy is doing something over there. Kids, do you see that? And we got Reese, and he's actually
Oh, come here.
that.
All right, I see some of it dripping. All right, Jacob, here's what I want you to do. We're gonna go start the car again. I want you to get in the car and we're going to, when I tell you ready, you're gonna start it and you're gonna, here, sit your booty down.
But I'm trying to talk.
I'll turn the car on for you. When I say ready, I want you to hit the button again, okay? Wait till I'm ready. Hold on, kids. Let's get in position. All right, go. So there it is. Okay, so all the fluid is pouring out. Come here, Jacob.
Now can you press it?
Yeah, you want to see what happens? Okay. All right, you watch. Let me go press the button. Okay, kids, I'm going to press the button. And we're going to look at it from the inside. Ready? So Jacob sees it all. Okay, let's turn the car off. All right. So what happened, Jacob?
All the fluid leaked out.
All the fluid leaked out. And here's Reese down here. He's trying to play in the fluid. Wait. Okay. Let me ask you something, Jacob. Come here. Where do you think all that fluid's coming from?
Up there. Look, these pipes.
That's the pipe? We're gonna investigate that?
The pipe might be burst.
All right, let's go grab your ladder.
Okay.
Okay, so this right here is where all the washer fluid goes. We pour it in there and it goes down the drain. And then we hit the button, Jacob, you said it goes up this tube
Yes, ma'am.
and then it shoots out.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
wiggle that tube a little bit? Let's see if it's insecure. That looks pretty loose.
No,
You
now,
think maybe it got disconnected?
maybe let's take out this cover.
Okay, so kids, we have this big black cover on here. And as you can see, they're held on by these little plastic divots.
Like there's little knots.
So we had to take these off.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we take this off so we can get to where this tube is going.
Yeah, and why
There's a special tool you have to use to get these off. And I just happen to have one in the car because I went and picked one up. I'll go grab it.
Okay, good job, Mama.
Thanks.
You're the best at this.
Awesome, thank you. So we're gonna open up our car and it's kind of messy in here. This is the tool right here. All right, Jacob.
Us a tool for a broken car.
This is the tool I got.
Yeah.
It's a door panel remover. And you see, it's like a little fork that's gonna go around these circles and it's gonna hopefully pop them out.
Hey, Mommy, I have to tell you, but I knew that didn't be just for
helping?
for my broken car.
Your broken car. Okay, here, you hold the camera for the kids and show everybody what we're gonna do. I'm gonna open this tool up, okay?
Okay, kids.
See, the instructions are on the back. It just goes in there and it pops it off. So that's what we're gonna try to do.
Okay, kids. My mommy had to get all of these off to find the little pipe. But so this is what this is.
You gotta make sure you're holding the camera where you're talking.
So this right here. This is actually the tube that leads to this. This loose tube.
Okay.
Actually, you like to pull the
Oh,
tube.
don't pull it all the way out. We gotta take this off first, okay? So here, you hold the camera up so the kids can see. And what we're gonna do, can you guys see?
I think they
Okay.
can.
You can? All right, we're
can
gonna
see.
try to pop this out, okay?
Okay.
Look in the camera. Can you see what's going on?
A little to okay.
You got it. Let me
To
see.
back.
All right, so we shove this in here and we're gonna. Oh,
Pop it.
did it popped right out?
I'll hold
Check
it.
that out.
Ooh.
Got it? Okay, and we're gonna go to the next one. And we're just gonna.
I'll insert these like in this tray right here.
Let's focus it first. Okay, let's try to.
Focus it. Focus it first.
It's kind of hard to do with one hand.
Yeah, you the
Let's see
best.
what Reese is doing real quick.
You the best at this.
He's over here playing, looking at airplanes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's try this again. Here, Jacob, can you hold the camera for me, buddy? Make sure you're pointing it over here.
I'm pointing at you, Mommy. I'm not focused.
Ugh.
Okay, now can you hold it?
All right, so we got one.
And put it.
See
Okay.
how many we got. Let me focus. It's hard time focusing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. We got 6 left. All right, let me see if I can set this up somewhere. We're not gonna set this up. Okay, kids, we're gonna pop the rest of these out. Right, Jacob?
Yes, Maya.
All right. This one.
I don't know why it keeps pulling out the
It's gonna kind of.
Okay. Wow, we got 2 things that blow it. Nothing's wrong inside the car. Something's wrong with the windshield wiper.
Here, Jacob, you take this one.
Thank you. Wow.
What's the matter, Reese?
We got 3 out so far.
Got 3 out. We got more to go.
We got 4 more. Actually, we got 5 more.
5 more to go.
We got 3 out.
Let's get that in there and pop. You go, Jacob?
Thank you.
Got it? Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's wrong?
Something out of this. I guess there's something that was losing. How much do you have left?
A few more.
We have 3 left.
Got another one. Here you go, Jacob. Here's the other piece.
Thank you.
You collected them all?
Yep, I'm setting them in these holes.
Right.
Okay? That's
Got 3
my
more left.
But we've also doing the right jobs, right?
Yes. Oh, I dropped that one down in the engine. We'll have to get that from underneath the car in a minute. You just check on PC. He's doing good.
Okay.
All right, we'll get it in just a second, buddy, okay? Do you see it down there?
No.
No, it might be in the engine, but we can get it out. All right, come here, Jacob.
Is it? But
Come right here. Stand right here. Hold the camera for me while I get these last 2 out real quick, okay?
okay, Mommy. I'll have to climb under the car, reach on my hand.
We're gonna wait for the car to cool off a little bit, okay?
Because you driving it?
I was driving it and it's hot.
Okay, kid.
Oh. Kids, I dropped another one in there. No, hold it up for me, baby. We got one more.
Kids, Mommy.
I did. I dropped it. Okay.
Okay.
And I see it's down there a little bit. All right.
Hold this, please. Hold this.
All right. Reese took one of the. Oh, Reese has chalk. All right. So we have this disconnected now. See, it's starting to come off a little bit.
Okay,
All right, hold on. Don't pull. We don't know what's going on under here.
Good. What's happening?
Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to take this off somehow. All right, let's go over here to Jacob's side. It's stuck on something. All right, don't pull too hard because this will break. Careful, buddy.
Oh, it's a latch.
It's latched in there?
Yeah,
All
it's
right,
like.
here.
Oh.
Hold this. Let me get this.
Yeah. Oh, the Uber.
Okay, I'm going to close the lid a little bit. It's hard to get this out because this right here.
Pull it down and pull it.
There we go. All right, kids, let's see what we got.
Oh, it's disconnected.
Oh, it is disconnected. So it's supposed to connect right here, kids. But you still have the fluid, well, it's all wet in here and it's kind of bluish fluid.
Mommy, now let's push it. Should we?
Should we turn the car on and see what happens?
Yeah, you go do it, okay?
Okay. But you're gonna have to hold the camera right here so the kids can see it, okay? Let me help you right here. All right, hold it right there, just like that. Don't touch the engine, it's hot.
Kids, this is what will happen. Ready? Whoa, it's split all that! Now we found the problem, definitely. I did. What? Kids, that's good. We saw it.
Is that pretty cool?
Yes, started on it.
Are you sure you got it? Because you're moving the camera around a lot.
Did I get?
Did you get it?
I think so.
Okay. So now we got to reconnect this, right?
Yeah, we got to.
Okay.
I'll show the mess it made, okay?
You gonna see the mess it made real quick? Yeah. There's lots of fluid on the ground. Lots of windshield washer fluid. All right, Bubs, let's fix this. Hop up here. Reese, don't eat the chalk, buddy. Don't eat chalk. Okay. So, it's supposed to hook. Make sure we got her focused.
Yeah, get focused.
Okay, so we're gonna put this tube.
We gotta get focused. Look at turn it in.
See if we can get this in there. Okay, I think I got it in there, buddy. You want to go in the car and we'll see if this works now?
Mommy, you push it fast, okay?
I'm gonna push it first. All right, come here. Climb up, and all you gotta do is hold this right here. Just hold the top, right there. Don't put your finger in front of the camera, though. Okay, hold it right there.
Okay, kids. Mom's just test it again and see if it works. Good!
Let me see. Let me see the camera.
It's scattered on me.
Okay, kids. So, here we go. Ready? Let's see if it works. It works. It came out of both of them.
It's all getting on that.
Did it spray you?
Yeah.
Man, Jacob, we did a good job, didn't we? Okay, now all I got to do...
High five. My turns.
Psh, I only have one hand. Psh. Okay. Now I have to put all these little caps back in.
Yeah, but we don't have to do,
Uh-oh.
we don't have to do video of this.
We don't?
Nah.
So what, we fixed it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let me put this back together, and then we'll show the kids what it looks like when it's all complete, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the little plugs is down there. It looks like a circle, but the engine's really hot, so we can't really touch the engine. So I'm gonna see if I can use this stick to get down here into this hot engine and knock that little circle off so we can get it. There it is. And now the stick, I'll have to go into the car to get that piece. Okay, and then the other part fell down here somewhere. I just don't know where it fell. I have no idea. I'll have to look for it underneath the car. This car's really low. There it is. Oh, Reese. Reese is calling on me, kids. Let's get this out of here. There's one. There's Reese. Okay, so we put in the one piece we found. Now we have all of them in, except for this one. That one's still missing. That's not it, it's over here. I tried looking for it and I couldn't see it down here. Okay, so we replaced them all except for this one. I couldn't find it. It's somewhere down in the engine, but they sell replacement parts, and we will get one of those at the store next time we go to replace it. But this little tool was a lifesaver. And we are going to close the hood now. And we are done. Jacob, let's do it one more time with the hood down. Let's make sure everything works good. Jacob's taking a... All right, Jacob, let's see if it works. Woohoo! It's working great. We did an awesome job, Bubs. Well, thank you kids for watching us today. We helped fix the car, so now we can use the windshield wipers again. Jacob did a great job helping out. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe you learned something so you can help fix your car. This is an awesome tool to have. And we will see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe.